Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by importing everything into Alight Motion, the Gacha PNGs, a clean background, and the only way audio track. Make sure audio is trimmed to the passage you'll animate, because timing drives motion. Once the layers are in, lock the background and name character layers so you won't lose track. Then set the composition to your target resolution. 1920x 1080 keeps quality high. This fast setup prevents wasted rework and lets you focus on timing and animation right away. Now animate. Place position and rotation keyframes to match the song's rhythm. You'll want ease in and ease out so movements feel organic. Stiff keyframes kill the vibe. For subtle body shifts, add mesh warp or transform tweaks on 6:10 frame intervals that match musical accents. Lip sync by toggling mouth sprites on audio peaks or align phoneme images with the waveform for accuracy. Once done, preview with audio scrubbing and adjust keyframe timing so the visuals hit the beats precisely. Finish with effects, color grade, subtle glow, and motion blur to sell movement. Keep effects light so gacha details remain sharp. Do a quick 720p test render to confirm timing and audio sync before final export. Export as H. 264 MP4 at 812 Mbps for social upload, and verify audio alignment in a media player. If you see desync after export, re-import the file and nudge the audio by milliseconds, or rebake the problematic keyframes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.